Hey guys, so I figured I'd film a quick little update for you, kind of just a little life update, kind of what I'm doing and everything right now. I just graduated from college, well, graduated at the end of April, so it's been a little bit. I graduated from Grand Valley with a major in public and nonprofit administration and a minor in international relations. So one big question is, where am I now? Currently, I'm still in my apartment in Grand Rapids, but I'm living kind of half between this apartment and at my parents' at the other side of the state, just because this lease is going to be up fairly soon, so I wanted to, I'm kind of like slowly moving some of my stuff back to my parents because I am going to be back at my parents' place for a little while. Next thing is, will I be continuing school? And short answer, no, I'm not. I am done with school. I don't see myself really going back to a formal education. I'd really like to do some kind of just like online classes, kind of for hobby-esque things through like Skillshare and Masterclass, just because I'm really interested in food and kind of developing, kind of learning how to cook a bit more and just things like that that aren't really normal education stuff. It's more or less just for me, so I'm going to be doing that, but I'm not going to be going back for a master's or PhD or anything until I know exactly what I want to do for a job, and even then it'll only be if I need that master's or whatever for my career. So the next big question is, what's next? Again, short answer, I don't really know. Currently I am going to be doing AmeriCorps, so I'm going to start AmeriCorps at the end of July, and I'll be doing AmeriCorps FEMA, so I'm just going to essentially be traveling around the US for about 10 months, well 9 months, because the first month is training out in California. So I'll just be traveling around the US helping out in disasters. So besides AmeriCorps, which is really exciting because, like I said, I'm going to be doing training out in California, and I've never really been to California. Apparently I went once when I was like 1 year old or something, but I do not remember any of that. So I'm really excited to kind of just explore more of the US. But besides that, I want to continue YouTube. I want to do it more now, just to kind of document what we're doing with AmeriCorps. Not really so much the AmeriCorps, but just kind of my life while I'm in it. So what we're doing kind of day to day, things that I'm experiencing, and just all of that fun jazz. Yeah. So that's really the plan right now with my life. I don't know what I'm going to be doing after AmeriCorps. AmeriCorps is one of those things where it's long term, but it's short term. It is for quite a long period of time, 10 months, but in the grand scheme of things, it's a fairly short period of time, and I'm not 100% sure what I want to do after AmeriCorps. Part of the reason why I'm doing it is just so I can kind of, some of it is so I can kind of buy myself some time after graduation, because I don't know exactly what way I want my career to go, whether I want to focus more in the public sector or the nonprofit and just all of that jazz. AmeriCorps is really a great way to kind of feel out how things work in one of the areas that I do want to focus on, which is disaster relief and kind of humanitarian aid stuff. So I'm hoping sometime through AmeriCorps I'm going to figure out where I want my career to go and kind of what I want to do in the long term. But yeah, so this is kind of just my little life update. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, that's all I got for you. See you guys later. Bye.